Hey, how's it going guys? Assault here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the on double click method, or you can say the db click method, which you can say it's your own, but there is a method which goes hand in hand with the click method similar to this. It's a double click method. We do not need to I did not need to explain anymore, because you by the name you will understand what I'm saying, right? So let's begin. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of click, what I'm gonna do just to replace with the uh, on dbl click, and it will be equals to my function, and I will change my function to double click it. So when I click it, it won't work, but let's see again. When I click it, it won't work, but when I double click it, it will work. So this is how it's work. This is, and the both clicks should be simultaneously. If it's have a 1 second gap, it won't work. It just click, you need to simultaneously. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.